What if the universe has a final secret, one it's designed to keep from us forever? To truly understand reality, we must merge the world of the very small with the physics of the cosmos. We need a theory of quantum gravity, and that requires a particle called the graviton. But finding it feels like a cosmic joke. The rules of reality itself seem to conspire against us ever seeing it. So, are we forever locked out of the final chapter of physics? Think of the most sensitive machines we've ever built, giant observatories that listen for ripples in spacetime from colliding black holes. To feel a single graviton with a similar device, you'd need to measure a distance so inconceivably tiny, it breaks our concept of space. The moment you try, the mathematics crumbles, and a black hole forms in your experiment. The universe literally swallows the measurement. Strike one. Okay, so maybe we build it instead, like we did with the Higgs boson. Fire particles together and see what comes out. But gravity is unimaginably weaker than other forces. To have a fighting chance of creating a graviton, you'd need a collider. Not a 27-kilometer one wider than our entire solar system. A machine of epic, galactic scale. Even if we, or some future civilization, built that, catching the graviton is another nightmare. You'd need a detector the size of a planet, and you'd wait centuries for a single signal, buried under a tsunami of ghostly neutrinos. Strike two. Some have proposed a cunning trick, using immense magnetic fields to transform gravitons into photons we can see. But to make it work, the required field would be so powerful it would tear the very vacuum of space apart, creating a storm of particle pairs that destroys the signal. Strike three. It seems hopeless, like the cosmos is a locked room and we're forever fumbling with the wrong key. But almost impossible is not impossible. Since the great thinkers laid out these daunting barriers, we've done the unbelievable. We've touched the ripples of black holes. We've harnessed the bizarre laws of the quantum realm. And now, a new generation is rising. They're not building bigger hammers. They're crafting smarter keys. They're designing experiments that blend quantum trickery with gravitational wave science in ways we never dreamed of. The door isn't open yet, but we can feel the lock beginning to tremble. The story isn't over. We might just outsmart the universe after all. What impossible puzzle should we tackle next? Subscribe and join the search for the next great answer.